Welcome back to Tech New Horizons. And after last stream, I've processed some more resources for the circuits. That means a lot of LV tier circuits and MB tier circuits of this tier. So then finally, we can make HV circuits. Also, oh, what is this guy doing here? I did some B automation, but let's see. Oh, they didn't do what I hoped they would do. Here's a comment. I have to check these with the B-Elizer. Basically what I try to do is get more of the common ones. Okay, here's another common drone. Let's see what this one's gonna do. Yeah, but I collected basically all the resources required to make HV circuits for today. So let's get these. I mean, not all of them. And then like that. How many are required? 4 for the quest, okay. I made a bit more to get more machines today as well. And here I upgraded the crop manager with now almost the 3rd layer done. Still have to connect this up to... Wait, where is it? Yeah, here is supposed to be the item output. And I'm gonna connect this up to the storage when the rainforest oak is empty. Hey, hypercrafting. When in doubt, made a stack. Yes. Not a stack, but like... I planned for... 32? Yeah. Half a stack. Half a stack of HV circuits. But right, so is this wood empty? No. Because I think not enough fluid output surge because the benzene is full. Yeah, benzene is everything is full. But that's gonna change today probably because HV gas turbines are gonna drain a bit more. Also, look at this. 26 tantalum, 35 more tantalum ingots in here, and here, almost, like, with this other one, almost 2 stacks of tantalum. And I also made the diodes with tantalum stuff as well, because I checked the recipe and then using the fine lineared copper wire versus the fine tantalum wire, the tantalum wire is just so much better. So I went to my manganese vein over here to get the tantalite and process it all. But yeah, that's almost all of the vein, so I have to find another one if I want more. Or if I have, do I have still? No, actually all of the tantalite dust is processed. Okay, and made a bit more gold, because in HV we need gold cables. So actually let's make a lot of them. Because in HV now I want to replace all of my machines with the HV version because they are so much faster than the LV ones. So probably over here, I will build HV machinery area. I also have this upper floor here. Here, that's a layer in between for cabling, piping, wiring, maybe AE2 stuff. And then here, more space for more machines. Probably if I get into ACRs or something, they might maybe gonna go up here. But that's anyway later. First, let's reach HV. And the other thing I need, of course, are the stainless steel plates. Which stainless steel? Where is it? I also prepared. So, but let's make a new page and get the HV components ready. So first, HV motors. Then we have the HV pistons. They are not cheaper, right? Like this? No. We have the conveyors, rubber sheets, and we have the robot arms and the, not fluid regulator, the pump. I could make these now with an assembler, but it's fine. Okay. That's, I think, the emitter, but that's anyway after the eye of Ender. Which we, if I make a chemical reactor, then I can make these already. But the first thing I need is, of course, the gas turbine to even have HV power. So, let's see. We need 4x electron wires, so I'm probably making the normal ones. Oh, and this one, 2x silver cable. Magnetic steel I have, but stainless steel rods. I probably don't have any of these. And steel rotors, do I have steel rotors? No. Okay. Steel rotors, stainless steel rods. No. Let's get the circuit quest done. And now we will get some music after I made some gold cables. 24 rubber. Then let's go here on circuit 8. My polyethylene is over here. Why are you coating gold? Haha. Because I'm gonna make these, which allow me add music. Oh, somehow it cancelled. the music. Damn it. Yeah, I was making machine hoods. MB machine hoods now. We just reached HV. So let's get started with the flatline. No. Oh, right. I should make this one soon. But uh, right, I also need to make the clean room. Okay. First, these components, the component quests. Also put more of you in here. And rest of the wood cables. So I need a bunch of silver cables actually as well. And the electrum wires. Which I also don't have any of. Silver. Okay, actually it's gonna take a bit longer. I should be having more silver or silver dust. Yeah, here. No, that was nickel, then this one. Let's get a 3 of that. 3 of that. Let's make a lot of electrum. HV macerator is gonna be very nice. Right. HV macerator is top priority. For gallium, right? And I think tantalum as well and stuff. I think many things. Wasn't there some quest for that? Oh, energetic alloy I can also make. I think this was nice for the crossbow. I think the crossbow part was, yeah, 1 second draw speed. Arrow speed is 4. What is the current one? Oh wait, it's slime. Okay, the durability is higher, but anyway. Doesn't matter. Byproducts go bro. Yeah. I also want to set up. I think it was possible in HV, and I need to go a bit more into Thaumcraft. Actually, anyway, soon I will go more into Thaumcraft because with this one, I think I can make the runic matrix, which is needed for which is the infusion crafting. Finally, some infusion, which is definitely not gonna go wrong, because I'm definitely an expert with that. Yeah, but yeah, this and then because I want to advance more in Thaumcraft to make there was a tree that turns stone into endstone. And if I macerate the endstone and centrifuge the endstone, I get the tungsten and platinum. So that I want to set up as well. Okay, but first of all, I have to wait for these things to finish. Do I have now still some gold? Okay, gold Maya may be enough now. What is so this one? What's the best wire? If I make, for example, some 4x gold wire cable, I mean, that can carry 12 amps and has a loss of 2 EU. What's the Electrum cable? Carry 8 amps only. Blue alloy is better. Blue alloy is better. Blue. Wait, wasn't that just the same as Electrum? Didn't Electrum also have? Or is blue alloy cheaper? Wait, which one was this? The 4X. Yeah, the Electrum is same. But is blue alloy cheap to make? Huh? Ah, electrotine. Okay, I think electrotine is pretty common, right? And silver I also have a lot. And gold I need for other stuff. Yeah, I guess blue alloy is cheaper, and I think I have to find the electrotine vein anyway. Yeah, here was a quest in the saltpeter vein in the nether. Then, actually, while the cables are being made here, silver. So I need 4x, that's the normal electrum wire. Let's get, that's 2x cables. Then let's make these. Okay, and I definitely have enough of that. And let's get to the nether and find some of the saltpeter vein. I should have oh, just one. Anything I have the miners backpacks? Okay, let's go. Let's walk into one of the tunnels. Maybe lucky. And there is already somewhere a vein. Okay, not this way then. Whoa. Let's go this way. Oh, damn it. Which one is the next? That's a bit more. Okay, then go back from here. Oh, there it is. Got it. Then electro. Wait, I can just check here in the quest. Which height? Not this one. Electrotane. Tine vein. 5 to 45. And we are pretty high here. That means that's nether quartz. Oh. Good. Here it is. What's this? That's saltpeter, and then is electron. That's the secondary, right? So I have to go. Oh, the byproduct is redstone and gold. That is pretty nice. And it gives so much. Yeah, right. Then blue alloy is very cheap actually. Is that? Okay, so let's go here then, in this level. I guess that amount is actually already enough. But let's see. What is, so this quest? Okay. I guess, wait, what's missing? Diatomite? That is this stuff. In the ground here, okay. Let's mine one more. And then are the magma blocks good for anything? No. Oh, wait a minute. I can get lava from these. I will keep them for now. Maybe if I need a lot of lava, I can just extract these. Okay, that should be the amount of diatomite needed for the quest. Let's see. Huh? Ah, okay, yeah, right, I can't even go there yet. But anyway. I should put the electrotine in a drawer. So, wait, first. Then. All right. And first just process one stack. Then I have to set up the drawer correctly, and then the rest. And I guess it was, yeah, just silver and this. That's very easy. Here we got a lot of, actually, can't you just directly make the 4x? That is circuit 4, yeah. Process all of it. Silver wire. I guess we can make the first components. Have that here, and then I also need probably some small stainless gear. I just make 18 then. That's the steel rotors. Small gears. Okay, so let's make, I think, one of each first. That. I don't know, motor is not even required. Then make, I need small gear. And actually more stainless steel plates. I forgot to make more. What's a good setup to get more chrome? I was electrolyzing my ruby, but I'm kinda out of ruby. Like I think I can get it as byproduct from some macerator stuff, right? Where is it here? Like raw manganese? Maybe. That is the electric piston. Then actually I can just do that, right? Oh, some stainless steel pipes. And something else was missing, I think. It was the electron wire probably. A wrench. Okay, that should be all the components. Yeah, nice. That's the first loot box. Loot bag. Alright. Then here was already. So I wanna have, I think 4 amps of HV for now is pretty good. And then upscale from there. Since the cables can carry 8. Oh. Yeah. I guess I'm gonna be pretty low on electrum all the time. But anyway, this can wait because first. So should I have a lot of potent where I don't need these super huge pipes. I think I will just just in the normal macerator. I will get the potent dust out of it again. Okay. Is there already some? Yes, there's some electrodyne dust. No, wait. The byproduct is electrum? Oh, that's even better. I thought that's gold. That is pretty nice. Then actually, let's put the electrum next to it. And lock this one. And to start making blue alloy, do this. Okay. And you can also make the 4x ingots. Wires, I mean. 24, I think. Wasn't that the... No, not yet. And... Did you process the pipes? Yes. Potent should be in here then. Oh, nice. First, make more of that. And I have to check if that's actually enough potent. Otherwise, I go to... I will use steel. So I have to connect it maybe on here and then bring it along to here, to this area. Oh, it's empty. Actually, I need to disconnect this for a sec. Since I'm low on lubricant, so I need to collect a bit of creosote. Some more stainless steel. Okay, that is for turbo gas. Let's see how. I guess I'm gonna do the same as here. Oh no, actually. So this time I'm gonna build multiple machines of the same type. So I'm gonna lay out this a bit different. How about Wait. So let's say 4 go in here. Oh, no, not yet. I mean, okay. And then 4 more go here. And that's the 8 amps. And then I will put cables on top of here. And let's see. Wait, no, actually. I mean, it's 1 loss per meter. If I put them here, and some machines are gonna be here, that is still fine, right? Because anyway, it's multiple amps. Or I put all 8. Yeah, I will put all 8 here. And then I put the cables like here. Oh no, that's 1 too close to the wall. Let's say here. So I can put machines down here on this side, then on top. Oh no, actually, no. They need to go 1 more up. Because I want to have barrels underneath the machines. Then like that. Oh no, these actually need to stay. Same as here. So then machines can also go on this side. Then machines go here, and then here is another. Then this, and then like that. So we can have, for example, over here, 2 or 3 bending machines. Like 1 for, definitely 2, like 1 for the foils and 1 for the plates. And maybe another one for other types. Then wire mills, I want circuit 1, circuit 3, and maybe circuit 4 for the 4x ones. So 3 bending machines, 3 wire mills. I guess 1 lathe is fine. Because anyway, I don't use circuits there. Then of course a polarizer, just to have it faster. Then fluid extractor. I will probably make extruders as well. But first keep this chemical bath. And then maybe 1 row here with chemical reactors or something. Should I... Wait, should I leave a space in between? Yeah, wait. I will actually... Yeah, it's easier to access them. In case I need to write in how am I gonna access the barrels anyway, if I output everything into barrels. And of course I can extend this design to here, to the other side. So basically here, this way. So if I have 8 amps of HV, I should be able to put enough machines over here. Where is the potent? So yeah, the normal ones are completely enough. Alright, my hammer broke. Here, diamonds. Yeah, that's a good amount of pipes for all the benzene needs. Since I also need to bring it up to the other floor. Oh. Bit annoying to build. But that's okay. Just one time. Is that... Yes. So I have to connect over here. Nope. And first, let's do the line mode. Like that. Can you also do that? Yes. Oh. And then connect this. Good. That should be now benzene for all of them. Plus okay. That's then for the other 4. Once I need more amps. If I even need more amps. So, blue alloy. Where is the 160 dust? Okay, silver is quite a lot still in here. Proton pipes. These are for machines. Okay. Did you make... Okay, you're still doing that. Let's see. Bending machine. Maybe I also want to make like 3 or 4 assemblers, depending, like one for just cables, one for machine holes. Like one for circuit one, I mean. And then 2 more for other things. Maybe one is busy with crafting coils, then I need another one with other circuits. And so I need to make more. First let's see. Bending machine. Bit expensive, but okay, let's actually make 2 first. Like 2 is the minimum I want. Like the wire mill as well. So these will give me things faster to also make more circuits. And then what's a quest, for example? Autoclave. And mixing. A mixer. At least 1. Probably 2 I need. But 1 is definitely necessary. There's the bender and extruder fluid heater. Ah, right, for the energy hedge. Then let's make... first, of course, let's make 2 chemical reactors. These are anyway always needed. Let's make the first assembler as well, since I'm already doing this. So how many I need? Missing items are 7 circuits. Why? Wait. There's just 1 inside, and how many? Okay, yeah, I have 22. Nice, nice. Okay, we are missing quite a lot of electrum stuff. Oh, and magnetic steel. That is fine. What is the... Okay, that's a good amount of that. What else? Okay, now the electrum is fine. I need 6 casings and silver. Still need a lot of silver wire. And let's make more silver. How many stainless steel? I mean, I need stainless steel for the pistons anyway, so actually make more. And then I think there was pipes missing, right? Yeah, 4. So that means 12, right? Don't want to make too many of these. If I go to the end, like I have already the end portal, I found it already. If I go there, I can just beat the dragon, right? Without any way to fly. Maybe it's a bit annoying. Wait, it's... Did I not just make the... What did I make then? If still 4 are missing. Missing 4 pipes. I have 8. Wait, why are you needing pipes anyway? No, you have plastic fluid pipes. Oh, these were not even... Oh. That is something else. That is polyethylene. So I get 2. Then do that. Okay, I still had more in here. And some golden cables. Okay. Then silver, right? Silver wires, yeah. Okay, let's get you out here for a sec. I can just make the 4x versions and then halve them. After that, I want you to make the blue alloy one and then continue with electrum. Ah, okay. Just have to let this process for a bit. But let's make a few more barrels. So I need the wood planks. And let's get a stack of 2 stacks of wood. Just make a few chests and then after that wood planks. The barrels with wood planks. I also need to make more of the wood planks anyway. Okay. So the electrotine finished processing. Almost. But I guess that's not enough. So let's put the rest. What is so alunite? What can I make with you? Oh, quite a lot of stuff, but not really important. And this one? Byproduct sapphire dust. Oh, okay. Nah. Okay, more 2x silver wires. $20. I think it was more than 20. 5 missing still. Okay. Oh, the coolant ran out for the Canthal processing. Another 30 tantalum ingots. Tantalum I meant to say before. Steel rotors are almost gone again, I guess. I'm just gonna make more. Seems like I need a lot of these. Should I... I thought about processing some more stainless steel, but I just remembered I don't have chrome. Oh no, this is not what I wanted to do. Okay. So anyway, before I make the machines, I can't even plug them anywhere because the blue alloy cables are not done. Where is it? What is the chrome princess? Okay, I think that's a... Yeah, no. Where would I get a lot of chrome from? Chromite? Where is chromite? Probably... from the moon. Okay, as soon as I'm on the moon, chrome is no problem anymore. I see. Uh, is there anything... No, that's the ruby juice. Or almandine dust with nitric acid. But 2% for... No. 2% is not 50% in the with the ruby juice. Then this one is made how? Oh, okay. I mean, I could wait. Actually, that is Isn't that pretty easy to do? Like this one here. Wait, I will just mark this one for a sec. HV, I'm gonna make the HV mixer pretty soon. This crushed ruby I will just get with the HV macerator. And which has a chance to get chrome as well from the ruby, which is nice. And then this one goes maybe in the HV centrifuge, and the hydrochloric acid comes back. Yeah, I think I will just build a tiny automated setup for this, actually, with the macerator, both the machines next to each other, the centrifuge, and what was it now? That was yeah, centrifuge, and then the mixer. Wait. Mixer I have here. I can just use it for this process for a second. For now, I mean. Then let's make a macerator already, the HV macerator. Oh. Maybe the grinding wheel is a bit... Maybe that's a bit difficult. And these machines also need a lot more circuits. That should be fine. Double steel plates. Oh no, actually that's super easy to make. This I can just make here. Oh, do I need the industrial diamond? No, good. Blue alloy and electrum are the same. Hey, casual customer. Yeah, I also realized that, but the thing is, electrum, I need a lot for the electric motors, but blue alloy, I have a ton of silver, and also now a ton of electrotine. So I'm gonna use the blue alloy for wires, and the electrum for the machines. Look what happens when you centrifuge electrotine. Oh. Ah, but it's 8 to 1. That's 8 to 1, and blue alloy is 4 to 1. Ah. I mean, I'm low on gold, actually. So, making electrum. Ah. Yeah, it's basically like, do you need gold or silver more? I guess. Yeah, I'm low on gold. I have 900 silver, but almost no gold. So, that's why I decided also to use that. And I also, yeah, since I need the electrum for so many of the HV motors. Okay, that is that. That means now I need to make stainless steel. I need to make 2 more of the casings. Ah. Oh, I forgot some gold cables. Here are more silver wires. That is nice. And this one now. Make, why are you... I almost did put that here. So, gold cables. No, not you, don't go in here. That is that. What's missing? Nothing's missing. Let's go. Let's make 8. Or how many machines? 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 HV machines. 80 motors. Is there any of these recipes that are cheaper? No, right? This is also not cheaper in the same. Okay. Let's go huge crafting chain. Okay. For Ruby juice, can't you use MB machines? I can, but now I have the HV ones. I mean, the problem is, maybe I change it to HV once I don't need so much anymore, and I need these machines. Maybe the HV machines anyway. The macerator I wanna use for other things. Centrifuge as well. Maybe just set it up for now to get maybe like few stacks of chrome, and then use the. Did you make clean room? Not yet. Clean room. That's here, right? Multi-block goals or something? Here. Oh. Ah, right, the vacuum freezer, not yet. So for this, I think I need to process quite a lot of polyethylene, right? Polyethylene pulp. Ah, and black steel as well. Okay, yeah, that's gonna take a while. But concrete is cheap. Still need to make black steel. Clean room is so good. I'm gonna make a big one. I'm gonna actually make... I'm gonna put a building maybe over here. And there's gonna be a huge clean room inside. Because the first time I played GTNH, I made a very tiny one. I think almost the minimum size. And that was so tiny. That was... Nah, this time I'm gonna build bigger. I started with 7 by 7, but oh man, the cheap circuits. uh, so first are the micro. Wait, aren't these the? Which one is the LV one? Wasn't there an LV version of this? The wait. This one, right? That's the clean room version of the microprocessor. The last LV tier. And then integrated process. Yeah, and then the integrated processor. Yeah. I mean, I wanna get these ASAP, right? And a lot of them. Like, I think once I can make these, I will immediately make a stack or something. If I can. Because these are needed for distillation tower, vacuum freezer, maybe other stuff as well, which I don't know right now. Ah, you need IV circuits and the HV assembler. Okay. Yeah, for the moon stuff maybe too. I also need to make LCRs. Insane amount of things to do in HV, I think. 28. That's a good amount. That's really the one, 8 amps. Yeah, good. No. And a bit more rubber. Right, I need to put some sulfur in there. And that is over here. And get this processing in. Yeah, like 2 nights ago, I made 32 of those. 2 of the IV ones, 64 HV, 64 MB, and just nice having all that prep. Yeah, I just prepared for this stream as well, like 32 HV, and here I still have 48 LV and 22 MB. Yeah, having like really a lot of them makes this kind of crafting of 10 machines pretty easy. Setting up benzene now. Nice. My super tank for my benzene is constantly full. Like, I'm definitely prepared for the HV power drain, I think. I hope. Okay, let's start with this one here, since that's the closest. Okay, and then here go 2 of the bending machines, maybe here a third one. 2 of the wire mills. Maybe here a third one. And maybe here goes a lathe. Then on the other side, some chemical reactors. Plus assembler maybe here. And then this setup here, right, I will put more cables over here. Then ruby juice setup. I will do this first just to have the ruby juice going for making more stainless steel, to have the EBF running immediately. That was now the ruby juice. Right, first I need to crush the ore. Then I need to mix it with hydrochloric acid. Then centrifuges and the acid goes back. That means you can go this way and you can go this way. Fluid auto output and fluid auto output. So they just exchange the fluids always. And then I need some conduits. Right, I still need to... Do I have electrum pipes somewhere? Nothing? No, here. I think that was circuit 1. Need to make more of the pulsating iron. No, actually I have some here. 6 more maybe? Then let's get some of the refined glue and wood pulp, because I would need to make some wood planks for the barrels. And this one, of course. Let's try the new one here. I think that was like circuit 2. Was it circuit 1? I think not, because 8. I think it was using the entire stack. Oh, that was now the phenolic circuit board. What was wood planks? Circuit 2. Anyway. I need the circuit boards. The okay. But these don't even. Yeah, that's nothing. Then... Okay, that's fine. Leave the... Put the cables maybe over here for now. Wait. I wanted to make more. And actually, so hydrochloric acid. That is probably some chlorine with some hydrogen. Let's just put that like this. Okay, no. How to make that. Circuit 1. Okay, that was missing. Let's actually make 2. Okay. And then do I have some ruby somewhere left? I guess I don't have. Let's quickly go to the redstone mine. I just need a bit of ruby to set up the process to see if everything's working. Let's take this. This. Okay. Should be good. 49. So you are going to macerate the stuff. And then, right, you're gonna have chrome as byproduct sometimes. So that means let's actually get a chest. I have a lot of here. And probably have a filter here, yeah. You're gonna extract from here and then here insert only the chrome dust. Wait. Actually, No, wait, anyway, here is completely wrong. But if I just get a drawer, then I don't need to filter that. I also want a drawer for the sodium hydroxide. That's just sodium dust with water, yeah. That's also pretty easy. Get quite a lot of that actually. So let's say a drawer. If I make... No, I want this one. Because then I can put the ruby ore and the have the chrome stored in there, the sodium hydroxide. Not this way. Can you not? Okay, but it's fine. No, actually that looks so bad. Okay, you do like that. Then so you're gonna extract on black and then insert here also on black. Just get everything out, put it in here. But then the hey, Stardust, welcome back. I'm setting up some small ruby juice setup right now. Let's get then on the red channel stuff out of here, but only get sodium hydroxide out of here and the crushed ruby ore and put it in here, right? Okay. Ruby juice is super nice. I just found it because I was low on chrome and I didn't know how to get more. And then I realized, oh, ruby juice exists. So yeah, that's already, yeah, and of course the HV macerator is pretty nice as well. Oh, damn it, I actually made a mistake. Anyway, I just need more filters. Where's my water? Where's my water? Here. Then we need some sodium hydroxide. So just a bit of sodium. I thought I have some here. You're gonna need a small supply of sodium hydroxide. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna make now. Not soda light. Wait, where is here? Sodium. I love the sodium plus water chem bath recipe. Wait. Why should I do this instead of chemical reactor? Oh. Yeah, it's way faster. But anyway, I have the my chemical buff is busy right now. But anyway, I'm gonna make an HV version. And here right now I have also HV HV chemical reactors. Circuit 1, right? Yeah. way less energy intensive. I'm swimming in benzene. It's crazy. Like I don't even know what to do with benzene. Let's go. I need some tank for hydrogen to not always use that. Okay, that's the sodium hydroxide. If I put that in here, they now should go here. And this is circuit. Ah, no. Right. Ruby juice, circuit 9. Oh, for that I need. Okay. You need 9 hydrochloric. Yeah. Another one joins the church. Oh, Church of Benzene. Actually, get rid of the hydrogen. More of that in here. And then I think I still have enough chlorine, but let's see. Ah, no, that's just 6. What am I? Just some salt, right? Are you using tantalum for circuits? Look. Oh, look at this. So while I was between this stream and last stream, I made 32 HV circuits now and more of these circuits, which needed quite a lot of diodes. I think 600 in total or something. But of course I didn't use the annealed copper recipe. I used the tantalum recipe because I have almost 2 stacks of tantalum. I mined the entire manganese vein and processed everything that's in there. Holy shit, yeah. The EBF worked quite a lot of time. But yeah, I just had the game run in the background while I was busy. Please tell me you have a third. No, I don't have a thermocentrifuge. Uh, I guess I can get more tantalum, right? Bro. Yeah, I guess not from tantalite. Yeah, for this, right? But anyway, my automated ore processing right now is not set up for that, like with the logistics pipes. So in the end, I just electrolyze the tantalite. But yeah, of course, if I did this, I had probably way more. Do you have a cam buff setup? No, nothing. I also don't have a. I just mined like a bunch of it and put it in my Steam setup. But I still had like almost 3 stacks of tantalum because I electrolyzed all of it. I needed some what? No, I needed some process that can just run in the background because yeah, I didn't have time like to actively play. Just run it in the background and then that was good. %90 of my tantalum comes from the cam bath. Oh, hey Jarek, Jarek-san, raw dog the ore processing. I love the Steam setup. I just dump everything in here, and it's so much actually. So, do I have now? Yes. That is this. You're gonna uh that is an issue because I huh? Wait, what? Oh no. Please. Okay. Did I place it? They can't. Wait. I did a full vein raw as well since I don't have sodium Yeah, but I just got salty root. Salty roots I also wanna so salty root I need to save that. Because I don't know, actually I was planning to make the salty bee or salt something. I'm about the same progress as you. I just unlocked the HVT the other day. Nice. Yeah, I just unlocked it today. I just made the first casings today. HV, so many things I need to do now. Did you place the machine? Yeah, I think I placed them the wrong way somehow. Damn it. Get this out again. Okay, now that is working. And are you working if I... So, put it there. Okay, so that is gonna work, right? Let's put that back here. Let's put this on circuit 1. You auto fluid out. Oh, wait. Oh, anyway. I didn't see it had more byproducts. Okay, I need to redo the setup. Tier menu going fast? Nah. Tier stocks are way better than tier stocks. What the... wait, what? What are tiers? Oh, nope. Nope, it's a crop. Or is this salty root? Do I also need to get these with the crops? If so, if I have to get these with the crops, then I'm gonna stay with the B setup. So here do I now need to put actually a pump? Can't this? I guess it can't. Oh wait, actually, I can do the following. Just do like that. Where I did the same setup with the iron 3 chloride. That goes here. Nice, okay. But I still need to take care of the output. Circuit 9. Circuit 1. Okay. This one can stay like that. This one needs to extract, put it in here on channel black. No, not like this. Okay, so then this is going to be the output. Then you are not going to extract on black. You're going to extract on white. Wait, what's in there now? Ah, okay. Need another drawer. No, 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 actually. Okay. No, another drawer. Both are crops. You get way more chlorine from a gas tier. Yeah, but I hate crops. Easy fix, just slap some duct tape on it. Yeah. There are 6 possible outputs for the ruby juice. Wait, what? Oh. 5. Then, yeah, anyway, I need another drawer. Then lock this one. Ah. Oh no. Then here. So actually, yeah, extract on black. Then this one, priority 1. This one also on black. Just get a lower priority. And here, you don't need to extract anything. But you extract on red. With that stuff. Right? Which goes here. And you don't need to extract anything. I think... Why is... That's weird. That should only go here. Oh, there was already all the ruby. Wait, I just got 50 chrome? That is insane. Okay, that's crazy. I got more chrome, I think, from... I think I just put 49 ruby in here. That is pretty nice. Yeah, ruby juice is ridiculous. You don't even automate it. Yeah, maybe... Like, I thought I have enough manganese from the manganese vein, but maybe I can make tons of stainless steel now. No problem. Once I have the... Actually, I want to work on the HV energy hatch pretty soon, since I want to build a quad EBF. Or at least have 2, and then build 2 more later, at some point. I have enough benzene to run these though. Maybe I will build a quad setup. There's a skip you can do for these. You mean for the energy hatch? Is there a specific cooler? I guess I should use this one probably because that's pretty easy to make. liquid sodium, rock salt. For these cooling cells. You will need a fluid canner though. I have, I think, a fluid canner. But yeah, you need these anyway, right? For making these. I'm gonna build an HV anyway. HV of that, HV of this. But so let's get this. There's a way to get liquid sodium without a fluid heater. Wait. Ah, this one. So usually with fluid heater, and then there is another way. Can I electrolyze it from something? Wait, sodium sulfate? Sulfuric acid, sodium form. Carbon monoxide. Sodium without electrolyze, that's 7 dust. You mean this? Sodium sulfate? Yeah, but that's like so much work to do this, and then I need to make the sodium formate. Like, I can just make the fluid heater, right? And then put a stack of sodium in there, and that's it. HV fluid heater. And it's a quest anyway. Ah, but no rewards. So, anyway, let's see. First, organize. This goes here. First of all, since I have more chrome dust, wait, what was this? Don't need that. Let's make 420 chrome dust. So 20 manganese, 20 nickel. Let's make a bunch of stainless steel. 4. Then manganese, I think I have in here still. And what else? Iron dust. Let's get this running. Okay. And then I was in the process of making barrels. By combining that. And also I can make more chests. Like that. And then here, these barrels. Like that. Then item auto output, circuit 1, circuit 10, circuit 1, circuit 3. And then I, of course, going to take this stuff away. So this is all circuit 1 stuff. Actually, just put it in here. Or put it here for now, it's easier to access. Then also under the assembler. Okay. Then this one. Okay. Get rid of this. Then this assembler. Hopper. What else? What is this? Centrifuge? Maybe I still need that. Ah, but the hopper. Probably not. These can go here. Alright. That is fine for now. Then actually with automated ore processing I can see how you make things so quickly. Yeah, the steam multis are like I never have resource problems actually. Okay, I have resource problems like the chrome and this and the other rare stuff. But if it comes to like about like gold, silver, like gold is always a bit low, but it's fine. And if I'm low on copper, I just throw in some copper ore and in a few minutes I have tons of copper. Like here is also again more copper. Like the ore processing setup like this is pretty nice. Definitely worth it. And I will probably use it until I have the multi-blocks for ore processing. So you... Nice, that's way faster. I know anyway I'm making the 1x wires. I have resource problems with basic things. I have the ores to make them, but I'm limited by furnace speed. Furnace speed? Are you not using the steam oven? I mean, it's not so fast, but like... Yeah, I throw always... I am not? Oh, why? Steam oven, pretty nice. Steam oven, very good. Okay. Bit more organized now. Next, HV things. So wire mills and benders I'm first. So the mixer, this stuff is now I think I was just, so if I need, what is something I need to mix now? Oh, actually, let's make some Eye of Enders. Let's get 17 blazes. Alright, I have a lot of blaze rods. Let's make 17. Not here, but here. I might switch to it. I currently use pretty much all the machines I've ever made, so the LV machines are still going sometimes. I still use LV machines all the time. My entire polyethylene setup is LV, and these were also still LV, which I should now break. I've been thinking of cutting off their steam power and using benzene. Yeah, like I'm still using steam here, but like every new machine I build is gonna be benzene. No more steam. Let's recycle these. Get some oxygen. Okay, oxygen is empty here. Oh, the wood is empty. That is pretty nice because then I can set up the crop manager correctly. And I need more silicon dioxide to keep the production going here. I got to Google school codes and I unfortunately need to answer. That is fine. That is very important. But yeah, thanks for coming. See you next time, and have a great time at school. So recycled in the, yeah, this gives quite a nice amount of ingots back. But so next things for the ender eyes and right, the HV cutting machine I need. But anyway, this entire process here is only, oh wait, and 16 energetic is only necessary really once I have the clean room set up. Then I can take care of that quest progress. Otherwise I can't really use that stuff yet. Large PDF fluid pipes. No, actually I will take HV circuits here as well. That just finished a lot more other quests. Oh, here I still didn't take that stuff. Reinforced glass lens. I'm just gonna take that. Maybe, I guess I need that for something. 32 empty cells, just take that because I'm low on cells all the time. 2 circuits. Ah no, I have enough. I want loot bags. Okay. Stainless steel dust. Nice, that's a stack of MV loot bags, which I want to open pretty soon. Maybe I get the ball of moss for my bolt. Or the crossbow bolt. And the stainless steel can go with this. Wait, was it on circuit 11 actually? Was it oxygen? Okay, yeah, right. So I can actually increase the speed of that. So, how to set up plascrete? A bunch of polyethylene, right? Ah no, black steel. I need. So, let's make a huge page here. for the entire clean room. The quest requires what? That is a... What is that size? It's probably too small, right? That's a very... Right, if it has just 8 filter casings, that is very small. Okay, these I can take care of later because... Can I... up to 30% of these plastic blocks can be replaced by other valid blocks or materials. So I guess I can replace 30% with reinforced glass to save on plastic blocks. Uh, like... But that's actually pretty nice to see. Wait, that's... No, I don't care about the height so much. But that I see... I can see the casings. I will make this size. So a 9 by 9. 80 casings. And I will build it maybe 4 in height. I think that's enough. So a 9 by 9, that means 11 by 11 for the bottom. Let's take a calculator. So we have the bottom. I'm not gonna calculate with the maintenance hedges and other stuff like maintenance hedge and power. I'm just gonna get the... I'm just gonna build the entire thing out of plascrete basically now, and then minus 10 or something in the end. So that is, if I make it 4 up, I have 5 here, so that is 55, right? 55 and another 55 on the other side. And then in the... No, wait, I just calculate the bottom again. No. So that's 121 plus 44, right, then? Yeah. And the other side? Plus, then that is the 9 by 4. Right. So plus 36 and another 36. And then that should be all minus the door, energy hedge, maintenance hedge, diode. I'm just gonna... Okay, I'm not at 281, but I'm just gonna make 280 plascrete blocks. And I need 80 of the filters. Yeah, of course, with the assembler. That is so cheap. Just need to make 160 item filters. Oh no. Okay. And 280 plascrete block. But this clean room, this one is so big Like, I think I don't even know when. Oh wait. So later I need to put multi-blocks in there, right? An LCR, for example. If I make it 4 high, like if the inside is, so I just calculated with 4, then the inside is, wait, that is pretty close. I mean, I can add another 22 plus 18, right? Then I have another layer. So 320. I just make 320 of that. That is insane. And of course I need this one, but and the other blocks as well, like the diode and energy hedge. But okay, that's I do another time. Maintenance edge. First, item filters. I don't know, let's start with this one. Yeah, this recipe is way cheaper. That is fine. Is so raw carbon mesh I can make from assembling the raw carbon fiber, autoclave. I see. That is maybe, I mean, that's even more polyethylene cost. Let's see how much polyethylene this takes if I do it with the raw carbon mesh. Wait, what? Uh, how about I'm not gonna do that? Okay, let's go back to the... Oh, wait, this also needs molten polyethylene. Ah, but it's way less. And steel, it is just 10,000 steel wire. Uh, okay. I mean, 400 aluminum. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's not a project we're gonna have finished like soonish. Like this is something I just process I know this one. Process when I have the some AFK time. Polyethylene pulp is just macerating. Can I not macerate the sheets? Yeah, I can. Which is this? Okay. Yeah, I mean polyethylene is kind of fine because I have the oil. Just need to put it. But then black steel. That is in the extruder. 640 black steel ingots. Like this. Oh, that's gonna be expensive. Ah, no, actually. Yeah, so I need a bunch more steel. Steel dust. macerate some steel ingots. Then also set it up that like that. That is now 390 steel. And this one, like that. How much steel do we need? I don't know, wait. So then, can I do normal iron dust? Yeah. Just need to make 1600 steel. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna upgrade the EBF before I get started on this process here. That is ridiculous. Because I need to make steel, black steel, aluminium, zinc foils. I probably need to get some more zinc. Of course, stainless steel as well. Stainless steel is kinda okay. But yeah. I mean, it's not crazy difficult to get these kind of resources. But the amount of time I need to process these, that's a bit, yeah, quite a lot. How about, so if I make two blast furnaces now, can I make these coils? I have the assembler. I can make molten cantha. And nichrome is just, I mean, I have more chrome now. That is just, oh, that doesn't need needs the vacuum freezer, right? Yeah, okay. So then actually I first need to get started on making more Kanthal coils. So you need to stop for a sec. Because you are not that important. I have stainless steel. I still have 2 stacks. But I have no Kanthal. So if I upgrade the EBFs, if I make a quad EBF over here, I need, how many coils are this? I think it's 42, right? It's like, yeah, I think it was 42 coils and 16 I have now. Let's make another page here and see how much Kanthal we need. So, is that then 26? Right? 26 more coils. Kanthal wires, I have 4. Okay, that's nothing. Mica insulator foils, actually I have a lot somewhere here. That's no problem. Just need some molten cupronickel, which I actually have already. I have 1 coil made. That means I just need the Kanthal. which is chemical bath, this and that. Okay, I need then I need a bit more chrome dust. But the good thing is like I almost have a good thing is I have the setup now running for the for the ruby juice. Aluminium dust, I think in the extractor here, no. Did I put it here already? Okay. And then I had more chrome left over there, right? And do I have more here somewhere? No. And here. Okay. More ruby. Let's get a bit more ruby. And then while the Kanthal is cooking, let's make the HV energy hatches. All right. There. I should properly mine this area, but anyway. Okay, it's here. I guess that's definitely already enough to get the rest of the Kanthal made. Yeah. Oh, and why is the sodium hydroxide in here? So this goes here, this goes there. Crushed ruby ore. You should actually be extracting. Oh, right, because this one is locked. Let's unlock it for a second, and then lock it again. And I guess that's also all it's supposed to go there. Ruby juice. What's that weird amount? No, that's because of the pipes. Okay, that's more chrome. More chrome. Nice, nice, nice. Let's get some of the gunpowder already cooking. And I want to make... I want to make another... I don't know, this I can do later. Like I need to make more of the super tanks and then always change this one to put it next to the EBF and then put the empty one back to the nitrogen processing. Okay, you have how to get the... Okay, tin nuggets are whatever. But this... How to get the ingots out of that? With the cutting machine? Oh wait, I can actually just make steel dust and since I need steel dust anyway. You can go here for more polyethylene. So, let's make... First of all, let's get rid of these. Then, fluid heater. I'm just gonna make this with the fluid heater. Maybe I need the fluid heater anyway for some other stuff. So, then I have it. And for the HV energy hatch, I need... Okay, let's do that. And I need 8 hatches for the 4 EBFs. Low power IC, is this the one I already made for the MB one? Ultra low power IC is that. And this one is then made with... Oh, I need the HV cutting machine already. And an air lens. Which I can get from... Can I... Air crystal plate? That's just... Yeah. I have these lying around in the Thaumcraft area. Should make an HV compressor so I can stop using the steam one here. Oh, and I need also to get this actually running correctly. So I guess I need to put an conveyor belt here. Conveyor belt. Conveyor module. Then get it up to the input. But before that I need to put like I want to connect the one of the drawers for the logs. This one. Then I also put another chest maybe there. Maybe I will just dump everything in a chest. Then put Ender IO conduits to filter the logs into the drawer. Yeah, maybe I put a barrel here. The logs in the drawer. Saplings in the trash. Yeah. And I should do this now, not later, because if benzene is running out, which it shouldn't, I will have some problems. Okay, let's make the trash can. And then also I need more of the item pipes. And the wrench is getting quite low, I guess. That's gonna be it for the wrench. You go here, and the trash can goes maybe here. Then do like that. And the setup I'm gonna do. So I have to put it in the wall. Okay, now there should be the dirt. Yeah, okay. And then here you are connecting, right? Yeah. Anyway, first I need to make an LV conveyor is fine, I guess. Can I copper cable? Oh wait, I just emptied that. Copper wires. I think that was more than 4, right? Then make more. Oh no, but no. You go here. And the blue alloy one, you need to make more cables. Yeah, the wire processing is definitely way faster now. I think the MB ones are like not that worth, but from HV definitely. It's now gonna be a bit annoying. And let me wait. 600 durability, is that enough to... Ah, no. That. Ah, damn it. Let's put that here. Okay. 450 durability. Okay, right, these are not going anywhere since it's not connected. I still don't have enough pipes. Oh, one is missing, come on. But that means that's it for the wrench. So let's already make a new one. That was actually, I think the Damascus steel one was faster. Yeah, mining speed 8 and this one had mining speed 3. Tin. First use up this one. Okay, that's it. So you should, yes, okay. There's the spruce lock. Then let's get a filter, if I still have one. Yes, one more filter. And I need to... wait, can't I? No, I cannot filter this one. So this one... Should I filter... I'm gonna filter this one. on the logs, give it a higher priority, because if it can't put any more logs, it's just gonna throw it away. And this one has lower priority. I guess this should just work now. Yeah. And the saplings go in the trash. Which I should actually save for a sec, because, right, so you're not gonna insert anything. Oh. How can I get this back now? Alright. Yeah, then you just stay like that. Because I need to have some more saplings, since I need to plant more logs, more spruce. Hammer goes back here. Okay. That should be now the... I think the production of wood is not enough for having all of them running, but for now it should at least take care of that there is always some wood to make a bit more benzene. So it's not gonna stop suddenly. Okay. Back to the... Right, the Kantha ruby. Ruby was missing. The chrome was missing. More than a stack of chrome, that's nice. $17 of the... where did I have the... Didn't I have the... Ah, no, that was here. Okay. High voltage coils. That is energetic alloy. These are anyway here. And right, I was in the middle of making this. Then I also need... Do I need an HV laser engraver? No, good. Just need to cut the block. And then make the lens out of that. And then... So one wafer goes to 4. Okay, then I don't need so many. Oh, but I actually don't have any wafers anymore. Okay, yeah. It's really time to get 4 blast furnaces running. Now I'm bottlenecked by it. Like, I have enough power, I think, to keep 4 of them running. But to get to that point, I need more. So, let's make a bunch of wafers. Should I? Let's cancel. And... Okay, so I need at least nitrogen. Right. Yeah. I could make this. instead of... so if I want to use the phosphorus dope wafer, then I need an HV and a clean. Okay, no. Then, no. Then just make the usual one. 32 per... Then this is 2 stacks. Actually change this for a second. This is gonna take so long. And you should go here actually. Is it? Yes, it's gonna make that. Then make the lens. Your processing. Nice. This takes a few seconds. Advanced cutting machine. And something else? No, right? That is probably it. Okay. Let's not make these yet for now. First these 2 machines. I'm missing OX Canthal wire. Okay. Then actually I will use that. Which also means I need to make more Canthal. Wire. Nice. That is exactly what I need. What else? I guess the casing, and I think cobalt brass I need to make again. Is there... Wait, this one is more expensive, right? Oh, but maybe I actually have cobalt brass. Yeah, nice. I remembered, I think I made 8 ingots. I just needed 4 before. And this is the saw blade. That means now I just need 2 of that. Polyethylene foist. Actually, maybe I don't need more Canthal because I still had some wire here. Alright. Can I make it? Yes, nice. Okay, these are the 2 things. Let's get some... Oh. But I think I just stopped the... Didn't I? Yes. Is the steam fine? The steam is fine. This boiler is also fine. Okay, then I just leave it for now disconnected. And since I probably need more lubricants, I should also change the recipe actually to use the brewery, since I now have brewing stands. And meanwhile, let's not forget the oil. That's why I also need more super tanks, since I don't want to transport this like how I do it right now. Oh, that was a quest, nice. So, this one be gone. I need to make sodium. Liquid sodium. Just sodium dust in the fluid heater. Super easy. Get a stack of sodium. Fluid heater, let's put it here. Same as the advanced cutting machine also. Can just go here. Not even one bucket. Is the, yes. So you go here. Then let's sliced. Let's get you cut. Then I'm gonna laser all of the wafers into, yeah, all the 16 ones. Then I should have enough for more hatches later on. Energetic alloy. Actually, how about I just take this? Because I need to smelt it with the EBF, right? And the EBF is busy. Yeah. And I need 8. That means 256 of that. That means, sadly, more. What's so nice about this loot bag? Oh. I could get some rocket parts. I mean, that is pretty nice stuff. Yeah, I will get the loot bags. I will just make the energetic alloy. Conductive iron. Yeah, this one Wait. Why should I not just use that? Oh, right, because it doesn't have the amount of slots. I will make another mixer. This one is basically busy. Anyway. I need to always change circuits for the mixers. Or do I even need an HV mixer for the normal? No, I don't even need that. Okay, I can just use the one that's making Kante. Black steel. For this one, I would need the... I mean... I can make one with this. And, like, quickly change this one for that, take the items out, make this one, and then done. Switch it back. Steel, dust, nickel, silver, gold, copper. Gold, silver, nickel. Okay. Circuit 14. Yes. Okay. That's the black steel. Then I need to combine it with 11 gold and 11 conductive iron. Conductive iron is redstone alloy dust. Yeah, I will use this because I still have redstone alloy dust. And I should increase this recipe to be exactly for the 25 black steel. Nine redstone alloy dust. Have it over here. Otherwise 9 silver dust. Iron dust also in here, yeah. Do that. But gold dust is not in here. You are done making Canther. Then you can make conductive iron. Okay. And this goes then together with the gold. Black steel and gold. Circuit 2. It's a bunch of the energetic alloy. Here I have to again fill up more oxygen. Oh, the VF. This one is done. Change it back to circuit 11. Put the counter back. Oh no, actually. 32 energetic alloy first. Do I need to... No, this is directly... And this is circuit 1. Oh no. Actually, I'm gonna do circuit 11, but with hydrogen, since I have quite a lot of hydrogen laying around here. No, of course. And you fill up more oxygen. Hmm. And these 30 oxygen cells go here. Right, I needed the lubricant. Nice. And let's get the wafers, which I just need to cut with the new cutting machine. Okay. Let's finally use for hydrogen. Actually keep this in here. Since I first need to process more Canther. That is more important right now. Then, I mean the electric pumps, yeah, they need more electrum cables. How much do I have here? Oh, that is a nice amount from processing the electrotine. This can all be... and you're processing what? Still electrotine, okay. That's why this here is full, I guess. Overflowing. And just get it over here for the silver. Also, HV circuit's done. And let's remove the things that are done. And write down quad EVF, number 1 priority. After that, super tanks. I just want to improve the polyethylene processing. And clean room parts. Yeah. Let's keep it like that for now. These are being cut. Nice. Oh, takes quite a lot of lubricant, I think. Yeah, 250 per run. That means... So, brewery. Let's actually add another block to the setup here. Because this one, if I check the lubricant recipe in the brewery, I just need some talc or soapstone. Easy to... I think I have a lot of that anyway. But yeah, then the recipe is pretty fast. And of course with 8... Actually, I don't even need the... No, that's such a waste. I will make an MB version. Because I don't think I really need the brewery for anything else right now. And I rather keep my HV circuits for other stuff. Wait, now that I think about it, how am I gonna power the quad EBF? I would need 16 amps of HV. I'm gonna make 16 amps. Can I make a large gas turbine? Ah, So do I need to make 16 of these? I mean, once the quad EBF is going, it's gonna be worth it, right? I'm not sure right now. It's quite a lot, first of all, quite a lot of circuits. And where should I place 16 of the... And then what am I gonna do? Oh, what am I doing? What am I gonna do with the 16? 16 gas turbines once I'm upgrading to the multi-block. I mean, so if I recycle that in the arc furnace, I will get back some... Okay, I will get back a lot of stuff. I should actually make the HV arc furnace also. But anyway, once I have this one first running on HV, then it's increasing all the process of making more. So first I upgrade this one, and then see. It means I'm gonna make 2 for now, because I also need to make 4 of these for that upgrade. Huh? Ah, okay, they're here already. Yeah, which also costs a lot of resources. I'm already out of HV circuits. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna prepare some stuff actually in between streams. I have to actually go now. Oh, here is a common queen. Get the other things. I want to have a pure common thing. I think they even anyway have some other genes as well. I have to make the what was the apiarist chest? Yeah, once this one. Let me quickly deactivate the insert here. And then I'm gonna check after they are done with the Beerlyzer. But that is something for the next time. So get going with more bees. Since I want to have the salt bee, I forgot the name, but they're making this, yeah, salt queen. They're making the salt comb, and this one is actually not so difficult to get. Like first of course, I'm gonna progress through the quest to get the components for the alveoli. And I think I should make a common bee first with the correct stats. Like I have to check again which breeds I need to breed with them to get the correct stats. And then continue with these common versions down the line to have the industrious, and the other one was the imperial. Yeah, imperial. And then get some alveolis built. But that's it for today. So thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.